Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our Science 3, Quarter 4, Week 4, D1. Our topic for today is describing different weather conditions. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. For the basis of our lesson, here are the following. A. Content standards. B. Performance standards. C. Learning competencies. And D. Learning objectives. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. Put on your thinking caps and get ready to explore. Today, we're going to observe, experiment, and discover how the world works. Hi there. Here is a fun interactive review quiz designed for you. It focuses on identifying conditions, choosing the right year, and understanding how weather affects our day. Read the description and pick the correct weather from the box. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and stormy. Number 1. The sun is shining brightly, and there are almost no clouds in the sky. For number 2, the sky is filled with gray clouds, but no water is falling yet. Number 3, you see a flash of lightning and hear a loud boom of thunder. For number 4, the air is moving fast, making it the perfect time to fly a kite. And for number 5, water drops are falling from the sky, making the ground wet. Here are the correct answers for number 1, sunny, for number 2, cloudy, number 3, stormy, number 4, windy, and number 5, rainy. Very good, kids. Draw a quick symbol for each type of weather. Sunny, rainy, and cloudy. Here are the correct answers. Sunny, rainy, and cloudy. Lesson purpose intention. In this lesson, you will describe different weather conditions. You will also record the weather at a given time. Lesson language practice. Condition. Condition means the state or situation of something. The playground was closed because the ground was not in a safe condition to play. Reading the key ideas then. What are the characteristics of the different types of weather? Developing understanding of the key ideas then. Sunny weather occurs when there is little to no cloud cover, allowing direct sunlight to reach the Earth's surface. High visibility, clear blue skies, and typically warmer temperatures during the day. This is the key features of a sunny weather. Its significance: it is essential for photosynthesis in plants and provides humans with vitamin D. However, prolonged exposure requires protection like sunscreen to prevent skin damage. Here is a scenario depicting a sunny weather. Rainy. Rain is a form of precipitation that occurs when water vapor in the atmosphere condenses into droplets, heavy enough to fall due to gravity. The key features of a rainy weather are overcast skies, damp surfaces, and increased humidity. Its significance: rain is vital for the Earth's water cycle, replenishing freshwater sources like lakes and rivers, and sustaining agriculture. Here is a scenario of a rainy weather. Cloudy weather happens when a significant portion of the sky is covered by clouds, water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air. The key features of a cloudy weather are dimmer light conditions and stabilized temperatures. Clouds trap heat at night but block it during the day. Types: you might see cirrus or wispy high, cumulus, the fluffy white clouds, or stratus, the flat gray clouds. Again, the types of clouds are cirrus, it is a wispy and very high clouds. Cumulus are the fluffy and white clouds. Stratus are the flat and gray clouds. Here is a scenario depicting a cloudy weather. Windy. Wind is the movement of air caused by differences in atmospheric pressure. Air naturally moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. The key features of a windy weather are increased airspeed, rustling leaves, and a wind chill effect that makes the air feel colder than it actually is. The significance: wind helps in seed dispersal and can be harnessed for a renewable energy via wind turbines. Here is a scenario depicting a windy weather. Stormy. Stormy weather is a more intense state involving strong winds, heavy precipitation, and often thunder and lightning. The key features are dramatic dark clouds or cumulonimbus, sudden temperature drops, and potential for hazards like hail or flash floods. For safety, during storms, it is best to stay indoors, away from windows, and avoid using electrical appliances if lightning is present. Here is a scenario depicting a stormy weather. For comparison, here are the weather groups. The primary benefits are the pros and the potential challenges or the cons. For sunny weather, the benefits are it can boost your vitamin D, it powers photosynthesis. The potential challenge: risk of sunburn and dehydration. Rainy weather, the primary benefits: it refills water sources and sustain crops. The cons: it can cause flooding or soil erosion. A cloudy weather, the primary benefits: it keeps night warmer, provides shades. The cons: it can make people feel gloomy or sad. For windy weather, it disperses seeds and generates clean energy. Its cons can cause property damage or wind chill. For a stormy weather, the primary benefits are rapidly cools the air, vital for certain ecosystems. Its cons are high risk of lightning and structural damage. Deepening understanding of the key ideas then. Read each item carefully and choose the best answer. Number 1. Which weather condition is primarily responsible for the process of wind chill, and how does it affect how we feel the temperature? A. Sunny, B. Cloudy, C. Windy, D. Rainy. The answer is letter C. Number 2. Photosynthesis is a vital process for plants. Which weather group provides the specific energy needed for this to occur? A. Stormy, B. Sunny, C. Cloudy, or D. Rainy? The answer is letter B. If you look up and see a flat, thick layer of gray clouds covering the entire sky like a blanket, which specific type of clouds are you likely looking at? A. Cirrus, B. Cumulus, C. Stratus, or D. Nimbus? The answer is letter C. Number 4. Why is stormy weather considered more hazardous than rainy weather? A. It always lasts longer than rain. B. It involves sudden pressure changes, lightning, and high-speed winds. C. It only happens during the summer. Or D. It creates more vitamin D for the soil. The answer is letter B. For number 5, true or false? Cloudy weather acts as an insulator at night, trapping the heat near the Earth's surface and keeping the temperature more stable. A. True, B. False. The answer is letter A. Making generalization and abstractions. What are the characteristics of each type of weather? Sunny. The sun is visible. The sky is clear. There are no clouds. There is no rain. It is hot. It is bright. Rainy. There is rain. There are dark clouds and the sun is covered. It is slightly cold. The wind is blowing. The surroundings are wet. Cloudy. There are many clouds that look puffy or layered. They may be close to the ground, high up, or in the middle. Windy. The wind is blowing. The leaves and branches of the trees and plants sway and make sound. Small things get carried by the wind. Clouds in the sky move. The air feels a little cold. Stormy. There are strong winds. It is raining hard. The sky looks dark because of thick clouds. There is lightning and thunder. The air feels cold. Evaluating learning. Identify each weather condition. Write your answer on your notebook. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. The answers are number 1, sunny, number 2, rainy, number 3, cloudy, number 4, windy, and number 5, stormy. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.